Well, good morning. It's Michelle from michelesinkitstampit, and today I have more to show you on the simple Elegance Denim and Lace Digital Journaling Kit from Studio28E on Etsy. And this is part of my design team project, so I just thought I'd show you all the stuff that I have together, and then I'll do the third video. I did one video on just the paper that it comes with, and these are some of the things that I made up to go into the journal. So let's get started. This out of the way so we can put this here. So these are just some tags that I did, and I used the just some book page and some, these have little pockets in them, and you'll see them in the journal. This is a journaling card that I made, little envelope. So I haven't decided whether I want to close this up or leave it. So this is some of the ephemera from the kit. Here is another envelope. And again, I just left them because I wasn't sure how, if I wanted to close up a side and use it as a tuck this way, or close up both and, use it like an envelope. So I gave myself some options. These are all the little ephemera pieces you can cut out with from the kit. Here's a tag and one of the medallion pieces that I put in. This is some of Sherry's eco-dyed paper. And this is a little I don't know what I'm going to call that. I don't know. But it's all the pieces from that. I had a stamp set that I used on some paper bag, and a piece of lace, I'm sure, that I got from Esme, Crafty Me Shop. And then here's some more. Another tag. I think this tag was from Artie Mays, but all the pieces on it are from Studio28E, the denim. And then this is another, I used it like a little tuck spot so I could put something in there if I wanted. And then just cut out some stuff on my Cricut and stamped on it. These are some Tim Holtz pieces of material. This velvet ribbon is from Esme's Crafty Me shop as well. I made some, I'll turn it this way so you can see the full length of it because they're pretty long. I figured once I get my journal done, I'll be able to tear off, the pieces that I don't need. And then that way, if I had longer ones, because I made a bunch of these, and I really like how they turned out. So I just used a ton of scraps that I had on my desk and from other projects, and used them in here. It's a paper bag that I got from It's All About the Scrapbook when I get my orders. And then just did a little bulb clip with another one of those, and I just wrote notes on it. And then some of the other things, some labels from Genevieve. Here's another one that I made. So you can see it's a paper bag, and then I just embellished it. Some more lace from Esme, and then just all kinds of leftover papers. Here's another one. They're fun to do, and I think they're really cute too. More lace from Esme, and then all kinds of papers that I had left over, either from the journal or just from other projects. And the last one. More lace from Esme. These are just the white cutoff pieces that I use from different, I think on Genevieve's pieces I get a lot of the edges left over when you cut out the templates, so I always save those, and they're perfect for these kind of projects. Again, paper bag. So that's that. And then these are going to be my 3 signatures for the journal. And I won't go through all these yet, but what I did was make a bunch of collage sheets. And then, and these are all the pieces from the kit. I think I supplemented with one of Artie Mays' freebies because it went with one of the papers really well. And then some music paper and some ticking. So that's going to be one cover for one of my journals. Here's another sheet of that eco-dyed paper. And I did make them a little bit smaller, but that was intentional. This is actually one of the papers. I just cut the edges off, and then I did some collaging on that as well. And I collaged on both sides. And this is that paper from Artie Mays too. This is all, other than the brown paper bag, is all Studio28E. There's one paper in here that Sherry did on Studio28E that this matches really well with, and I thought, oh, it just complemented it so well that, so I won't show you any of my insides to my journal, but I'll have 3 signatures. You'll be seeing these, probably one of these little notebooks in each signature, and there you go. So that is it for this video. So thanks for watching. Go create something fun, and I will see you soon. I will leave the description, in the description below, I'll put the link to Sherry's Etsy shop, Studio28E. Please like and subscribe, and also I will put some more videos over here that you might be interested in, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. All right. Go create something fun. Bye-bye.